Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here with our February online workshop. And things are working just a tiny bit different this month because Facebook Live didn't record for me last month, so I'm not taking a chance on that. These are all pre-recorded, and then we're having a short Facebook Live for you to be able to ask me questions and for us to have a bit of a crafty chat if that's what you'd like to do. So our make and take this month, these are our make and take projects that we're going to be doing in the online workshop today. And I've forgotten to put the little gems in this one. So there's gems still to come in this. There are some little blue gems that I need to add to this. I've just realised that that's missing from this make and take pack. So the way things work, the online workshop is totally free for you to watch. The projects are fairly simple because A, it's a free online workshop, and B, I want it to be something that is inclusive for beginner crafters to be able to work along with as well. If you want to book your own workshop with me online, then we can talk about what sort of level of crafting you want. But my online workshops that I deliver, they are going to be fairly simple, like I say, so beginners can work with me. The way things work is if you do place an order with me using the host code that is here for information, it's sort of below the feed, then depending on how much you spend, you get different things. So no matter how much you spend, you're going to get a thank you card from me. If you spend over £30, then you're going to get the tutorial bundle for the month. Now, our tutorial bundle for February is going live today, so I'm not sharing the projects from that at this time. These are the ones from January. This was my contribution to the tutorial bundle. And so this gives you an idea of the sorts of projects, but there are projects from around the world in the tutorial bundle. It is a PDF document that is emailed to you, and it gives you full instructions for, as I say, usually in the region of 12 to 15 projects. So like I say, this was my project for January. So it was a fun fold card and a little cracker. And this month, I'll just let you know, it is another fun fold card. I like to do fun fold cards. And a little tag box. That'll make sense when you see it on the feed later. If you spend over £45, then at the moment, of course, we've got our Sale-a-bration. So you'd be able to get a Sale-a-bration goodie. Let me just see if I can find my little brochure. It's gone missing. But there's a Sale-a-bration brochure. It's online. I'll link to it. So you can choose your own goodie from Sale-a-bration. If you spend over £50, then you're going to get the make and take pack as well. This is the make and take pack. Designs may vary slightly because I can't always ensure that everybody gets exactly the same pattern of paper. If you spend over £70, then as well as the thank you card, as well as the ideas tutorial bundle, as well as the make and take pack, you're going to get a pack of 24 sheets of DSP, and it will also include, some of it's DSP, there are also a few sheets of specialty paper. So these are all retired sheets, but you're getting 24 sheets, a nice thick pack of DSP and specialty paper for your crafting needs. So that, as I say, is what you can get. Like I say, you don't actually get these, but you get the tutorial bundle as well, and a thank you card if you place an order with me using the host code. Okay, if you need any help at all ordering, then please, comment, message me, or drop onto the Facebook Live, and I'll help you out with that. So now we're going to go on to the projects. All of the projects have been recorded individually, so that if you're just wanting one particular project, you can just hop straight to that. Thank you.